kids, we'll be doing word problems in maths chapter number 3, that is addition. Okay, we will be doing page number 48. Okay, so what are word problems? Let's solve the given word problem. Chitra has 28 beads, Kritika has 36 beads. How many beads are there in all? Means in total how many beads are there? Chitra has 28. Okay, Chitra has 28 beads. We'll write like this. Kritika has 36 beads. Kritika has 36 beads. And then we'll add. Okay, 8 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So, 1 carry 4 here. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, the answer is 6, 4, 64. So, there are 64 beads in all. Okay, got it everyone? Okay. So, now we start the exercise. Okay, solve the given word problems. Now, a class has 38 students. So, how we will start writing the statements? Students, how many students? 38. So, we will write here students and we will write 38. Okay, 16 new students join the class. So, we had 38 students, now new students join. So, we will write new students. How many new students? 1, 6, 16. Okay, so how many students are there in the class now? How many students are there means now we have to add them and we will have to say that total how many students are there in the class now. Now we will add these two. 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So what comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So I will write here 1 and 4. This is carry over sum. Okay. So I will carry 1 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So, we will write the statement, there are 54. The answer we got, we will write it over here. 54 students in the class now. Okay. We have to write these statements and at last we have to write the answer. There are 54 students in the class now. It is asked how many students are there in the class now. There are 54 students in the class now. Okay, next is B. Fishing boat A caught 33 fish. Fishing boat B caught 40 fish. Fishing boat C caught 23 fish. Okay. So, how many fish did 3 boats catch in all? Now, here we did, you remember, if you remember, two digit numbers. Here we have 2, 1, 2 and 3, 3 2-digit numbers. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 2-digit numbers. So, fishing boat A. So, we will write here boat A. How many? They caught 33. So, I write here 33 fish. Fishing boat B caught 40 fish. So, I will write boat B and I will write here 40. And fishing boat C caught 23 fish. So, 23. Boat C, 23. Now, total. Now, we have to add them. Now, 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, I write here 6. Then, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 2. 8, 9. So, I will write here 9, 6, 96. Okay. Okay, everyone. So, there the 3 boats caught fish in all. How many fish they caught in all? All the 3 boats A, B and C. A, B and C. 9, 6, 96. So, I will write here 9, 6, 96. Okay. Now third one is Nancy scored 12 more marks than Amisha in a test. Okay. If Amisha scored 83 marks, how many marks did Nancy score? Okay. Now Amisha's marks. So first we will write Amisha's marks. Okay. Why? Because Nancy scored more than that. So now if we want to find how much Nancy scored, we have to first write Amisha's marks. So Amisha got 83 marks. Okay. And Nancy got 12 more marks than her. So Nancy's extra marks we will write. Nancy's extra marks were 1 to 12. Okay. Now when we add 3 plus 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So we got 95. Now this is Nancy's marks, because here it is mentioned that Nancy got 12 more marks than her. So we will have to add 12 marks to this, and that the answer we get will be Nancy's marks. So Nancy scored 95 marks. Okay. Nancy scored 95 marks. Okay, kids, now on page number 5050, D. At a fair, Raman sold 28 teddy bears. Okay, at a fair, Raman sold 28 teddy bears, 21 toy cars and 31 footballs. How many things did he sell in all? Means in all, how many things did Raman sold? So we'll add it over here. Teddy bears. First we'll write how many teddy bears? 28. Then toy cars. Okay, so we will write here toy cars. How many toy cars? 21. Okay. And footballs. How many footballs? 31. Okay. So here we got our numbers. Now we'll add them. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I have 1. Will carry over here and I'll write here 0. And 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we got our answer 8080. So Raman sold how many things? 80 things in all. Okay, total he sold 80 things. Okay. Next, Amisha has 27 stamps, Rohit has 26 stamps and Shanu has 35 stamps. How many stamps do they have in all? Means total how many stamps they have. So stamps with Amisha, how many stamps Amisha has? 27. Rohit has 26 stamps. So Rohit, stamps with Rohit will be 26. And Shanu has 35. So stamps with Shanu 35. Now we'll add these three numbers. 7 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So I'll write here 1, 3, 13. Now 13 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So I'll carry 1 over here. I'll write 8. Okay. And I'll add this 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 2. 4, 5. 5 plus 3. 6, 7 and 8. So here we got 88. So Ashima, Rohit and Shanu together have 88 stamps. Okay. Altogether, all these three has 88 stamps. Okay everyone. So this was our word problem. Okay. You can see here we did our word problems. Okay everyone. Bye bye.